Hi, I'm Dr. Jody. I'm a chiropractor. I practice in Lebanon, New Jersey. I've been doing it for 41 years. One of the reasons I like to incorporate chiropractic into an athlete's regimen is, we balance the body, we take the stress off the nervous system. The body resonates at a different level when you're adjusted and things are balanced. And the better these guys feel, the better they play. Rapid release, I was introduced to that 4 or 5 years ago. I had it demoed on me. I really liked how it felt. I liked the concept of it kind of set itself apart from some of the other percussion therapies. I like the Pro 3 also because it's quieter, so you can actually have a conversation with the patient. We started to use it on some of our just regular patients, and then I introduced some of my athletes to it. Some of the football players really liked it, so I now have it in my backpack and or suitcase whenever I'm traveling to see any of the players. It's been a great therapy. One of the things that I've always tried to do with patients is not just treat them, but to educate them. When they understand the benefits of what we do and how it's making them feel better and why it's making them feel better, why they feel like they perform better after we work on them, then they'll seek it out. To balance someone and to get their nervous system working at 100%, the better they feel, the better they play, as I mentioned, but the body just works more congruently when there's no interference.